I know that those who are speaking tonight have been given 3-minute time frames, but how do you sum up someone so great in just 3 minutes? So I ask for you to please be patient as I talk about Air New Zealand's Samoan legend. Ueta loved Air New Zealand and was really passionate about the airline, but he was even more so about his colleagues. Although Ueta was your family mate, he was also our Air New Zealand family mate and was crowned the go-to person, a crown that he wore with honour, respect, and with the greatest passion that I have ever seen. Whenever anyone needed advice, they would go to Wes. Whenever anyone was being disciplined, they would go to Wes. Whenever anyone felt they were done an injustice, they would go to Wes. Whenever there was a special occasion, we would all go to Wes. Whenever I was hungry, I would go find Wes. But honestly, if one didn't know what to do about anything, the answer was always go to Wes. So where do we go now?
I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? To my knees or will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine when that day comes, when I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I would do is forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? yes, forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine